Okay, I'm going to teach you how to do the Rubik's Cube. This is thank you to Dan Brown for teaching me how to do the Rubik's Cube. So, quickly, the center piece is going to determine what color that entire side will be. So the red, all is going to be red. So we're going to start with green, green up. What we're going to do is we're going to do these inside pieces here, the cross. So what I want to do is I'll start with red. So let's find the green-red piece, and it's going to have to go here. So the green-red piece is right here. It's on the bottom row. Just spin the bottom row. Put it where it belongs with the green and red. It has to go up here. To go up there, I'm going to do a front turn. I'm going to do a left inverted, and then a up inverted. Now the green and red is here. What I do now is I turn the whole cube this way. You think this is done, but it's wrong. I need the white and green here. So let's find white and green. White and green is right here. I'm going to spin it so that it's on the bottom row. I'm going to spin it so that it's right here, and here it is, white and green. It's the correct orientation, so all I'm going to do is turn front, front, and here we go. Red and green, white, green. Now I want to do the orange green. So orange green is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the orange green to the bottom row. So if I turn this, it's going to move that. So we have to remember to do it back. So I'm going to move this, move it out of the way, move this back. Now the orange green is right here. I'm going to turn the orange green here. So now it's right. I have to flip it up here. So front, front. Now orange, green, white, green, red, green. Now I need the yellow green. The yellow green is right here. Lucky. And it's the proper orientation, so just spin it front, front. Now, don't mind this piece here. I have the green cross with each piece where it belongs. Now I want to do these four corners. I have a corner here, but let's see. Orange and white, it's wrong. It doesn't belong here. So we're going to never mind that, and we're going to look for an easy one. Here's an easy one. The green is facing me, so it's red and yellow. So red, yellow, you put it underneath, and it's got to go up here. So what I do is I do a right inverted, a bottom inverted, right, bottom. You do that again until the green is facing up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now green is up, yellow and red is where it belongs. I look for another one. Here's one. Green, orange, yellow. So it's going to have to go here. Green, orange, yellow. I put it directly underneath. It's got to go up. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. There it is. Orange, white, yellow. The orange, white, yellow. Before I said it was easy. Here's a variation. If it's facing you, you put it where it has to go. So orange, green, white, orange is green, white, orange. Put it facing you. Move it out of the way. Move this down. Move it back. Move it up. There you go. That's why I said it was easy. Here is the green, white, red. So it's already where it has to be. It's just below it. So I do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I have is green is completed, and the top row, red, red, white, white, orange, orange, yellow, yellow. So now it's done and it's right. So now what we do is we flip the whole cube over, pointing blue up. So now what I need to do is the same thing. I want to do the T here. I want to make the cross. So I look. I can't touch a piece that has blue. So blue, red, can't touch it. Blue, yellow, can't touch it. Blue, orange, can't touch it. Here's a piece, white, orange. I could touch this. So I put the white with the white. It happens to be there. If it was here, obviously I'd just spin it. White, orange. Now, the orange needs to go, no, not to the right, to the left. So to move it up to the left, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do up inverted, up, left, up, front, and then up inverted, front inverted. And then what's happened is the white piece, orange, has moved over here. So now look up top. Let's grab the next one. Blue, can't touch it. Blue, can't touch it. Can't touch it. Can't touch it. They all have blue. So I take a piece that's wrong. This yellow, orange is wrong. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to do the right. So I'm going to go up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And what that did is that moved this piece here. So now I give my kid more Cheerios. Okay, so now this piece here, orange yellow. So I put the orange with the orange, and now it needs to go left over here. So up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted, and now that orange yellow piece moved over here. So now let's look what's up top. Blue yellow can't touch it, blue red can't touch it. Here's one I could touch, white and red. The red happens to already be there. It's white, it needs to go left. So again, up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Red, white moved over here. Now my second row is completely done. Now I want to do the top. So the first thing I want to do is I want to try to get 4 pieces together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the cube like this. I'm going to do front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. And what it gave me here, I got lucky, it happened the first try, it gave me 4 pieces together. I'm either looking for 4 pieces together or a line going across. If I have the 4 pieces together, I put it like this in the back left, and I do that same movement again. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, and that gave me a blue line going across. I put the blue line going across this way, and I do it again. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, and that gives me the blue cross. Now, what I want to do is I want to take this piece here and I want to spin it. Put the red with the red. Red matches, white. This one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one doesn't. Okay, so let's spin it. Alright, now orange matches. Oh, here you go. Orange and yellow match. So these two don't. So it means that these two are right, these two are wrong. If it's these two, then you put it like this, in the front and the back. If it's these two, you put it in the front and back, and you do this move, and it'll make it in the side. And then once it's on the side like this, you put it here, and you do this. It's going to be right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted, and then up inverted. And then what happens is the T is still there. Don't mind this one yet. The T is still there. Yellow, orange, white, red. It all matches. Everything's good to go. So now my T is done. My cube is almost done. Now I just have these 4 corners. So what I do is this. I take a corner and I say blue, yellow, orange. This is wrong. Blue, red, white. This is wrong. Blue, white, orange. This is wrong. Blue, yellow, red. So this is the right piece. It's just in the wrong orientation. This is the right piece. So what I want to do is I want to not move this piece, but move all the other pieces. So what I do for this is I take this piece, I move it out of the way with an up, then move this here, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. And what I just did is I kept this piece here, this piece didn't move, these 3 moved. Now I see that this piece is already done, blue, white, red. This piece is correct, it's just the wrong orientation, blue, white, orange. This piece is already done, so all I have is these 2 pieces here, which are correct, just wrong orientation. So what I do is I choose whichever side I want. I'm going to choose this one here. I like to put it in this corner. So red is going to be in the front. So I put my thumb here on red with my left hand, and I don't ever move this. Alright, I death grip onto this one. Now what I do is I do that same thing I did on the first piece. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And I do this until blue is up. Right inverted, right, down. And what I do is I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, so I don't lose my space. 1, 2, 3. Looks like it's done. You can't forget to do the bottom one. 4. Now what I do is, remember I don't move this left thumb. I spin just the top piece until this is here. Alright, I do the same thing again. Right inverted, right, down. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to do the 4. And here we go. We have a completed Rubik's Cube. Now, view my tutorials, step 1, 2, and 3. Alright, I hope you enjoy. I hope you can do it now.